Hi, this is Kanimozhi, Department of Computer Science, Sri Krishna Swami College for Women. Today we will see about functions and packages in programming language concept in SQL. First, we will see about function. So, what is the function? Function, it performs the defined task which was represented by the user. So, function is a subprogram. It contains some coding. It should return the value to the main function. Function can be a part of the SQL expression. We can use the function within using select, update or merge commands. So function is very similar to the procedure. So procedure and function, what is the difference between procedure and function is procedure does not return any value to the main function, but function return the value. So here it is the syntax for representing the function in programming language in SQL. So we can use create or replace keyword for creating the function and function name. It contains parameter is the optional list, and with in and out parameters it should have must return value, begin and end section. In begin section it has function coding, and always end and mention the function name. So while creating the function, we specify the function name. Suppose if you want to replace any existing function, means use the replace option. Parameter list is optional, and in and out parameters is in parameter represent the value will be passed from the outside, and out represent the parameter will be used to return a value outside of the procedure. Let's see the simple exam. So for creating the function, we can use create or replace keyword for creating the function. Function is the keyword. Here I will create the function name adder. So here adder is the function name with parameters n1 and n2. n1 data type is number and n2 data type is also the number. Here function should return the value. So we specify the return type number. If here we create one variable called n3 and the data type is number, and within the begin section we will write the coding for the function. Here what is the adder function do is it will add the n1 and n2 value, store it in n3 variable and return the value to the function. Here begin n1 plus n2, both the values are added and it will be stored in n3 variable. Last it will return the n3 value, and then n3 data type is number, we already mentioned in the function. Last ended with end statement. Here see how will we calling the adding function. So in this program we create n3 variable and the data type is number. Within the begin section we will call the adder function using adder and then parameters 11 and 22. Like here 11 will be stored in n1 variable, 22 will be stored in n2 variable. While calling the adder function, 11 will be passed to n1 and 22 will be passed to n2, and the function will do the following operations. Both the values are added, stored in n3. So what is the value of adder function will return is 11 plus 22 will be added, and the 33 value returned to the n3 variable. Last 33 value is here stored in n3 variable, and using dbms output that put line statement we will print the message addition is, and it will display the n3 stored value, that is 33, entered with n statement. To have the authentication permission on a Oracle database. Okay, how to create the SQL package? Let's see. First step is package specification or declaration. Package specification means what is the package we will be used in other codings. First we will mention it. Here it is the syntax for the package specification. It have following statements: package name, variable or constant, cursor or procedure, functions or exception declaration. It is global to the package. Create or replace is the keyword. Package, and we should mention the package name is as function is the keyword, and mention the function name with parameters, and mention the return data type. Procedures. Within the package we will create both the functions and procedure. Step 2. Creating the package body. It consists of definitions of the procedure which was available in packages, functions or cursor that is declared in the package specification, and then sub program bodies. Package body mainly contains procedure and function coding within the package. It is the syntax for creating the function body. So function name with parameters, it should return the value. Within the function we will create, we will use the programming language concept in function. So we use begin and exception sections within the function. Always functions and procedures are entered with end statement. This is the syntax for the mentioning the procedure in package specifications. Procedure name with parameters and local variable declaration. Within the begin section mainly we will write the coding. In using exception section we will handle the error, enter with end statement. Last end statement is mentioning for ending the packages. Third step, using the package. While using the package we will mention package name with particular object name. Let's see the simple example for package using factorial concept. Here first step, package specification. Create or replace package. Package name, here package name is factorial calculator. Within the package create function name called calculate factorial. It contains n is the parameter, return type is number. So entered with end statement. Here we will end the package using end statement in factorial calculator. So what is the output of while executing this program is only package created. After creating the package we will write the coding for procedures or function. While creating the package we will create the function name called calculate factorial. Here in step 3 here we will write the coding for the calculate factorial. Create or replace package body is the, these are all keywords. Here factorial calculator is the package name as function name is calculate factorial. So n is the parameter, it should return the value. So a function always return the value. So result will be stored in number. Within the function we will write the coding in begin section. What is the main concept? If we will receive the n value, it check n value is less than or equal to, it will return the 1 as a value to the number. Otherwise, using for loop, we will check the result and multiply with n numbers. So using this for loop concept, a factorial number will be calculated and ended with n loop. Finally, it will return the result value. Here we will using end statement, ending the package name and function name. After executing this program, package body will be created. Message will be displayed in the screen. Third step, using the package. In programming language, declare. In declaration section, we will declare the variables. Here we will use the two variables num and factorial result. Both are the number data type. Initially 5, the value 5 will be stored at num variable. In begin section, we will call the function. So factorial calculator, here how we will calling the package is factorial calculator is the package name dot and then object name. Here object name is function name. Function name calculate factorial and with parameter num. While executing the statement, factorial calculator dot calculate factorial num will be passed to the package body and activate the coding which was represented in the packages. Finally, the result will be stored at factorial result variable, and using dbms output.putline statement, we will print the message like factorial of num. Here num is the variable, it will store the value 5. Already we directly mentioned the 5 value in num variable. So what is the output of this is factorial of 5 is 120. PL bar SQL procedure successfully completed. This message finally displayed in the screen. Let's see the advantages while using the packages. Mainly we use the package for reusability, and second advantage is overloading. Overloading means two or more procedures or functions can be created in the package within the same name. It is possible in the package. Creating modules. A large applications can be created by simply creating modules, clearly defined and easy to work. Next, improve the performance. Will work very fast comparing other coding, because in packages we will reduce the code, so it automatically works fast. Last, global declaration. Easily used when required. No need to write coding for at every stages. These are all main advantages while using the packages. Thank you.